नमस्कार फ्रेंड, आप सभी का स्वागत है। फ्रेंड्स, रिक्वेस्ट टू कॉन्स्टिट्यूट ए सेपरेट बैंकिंग पे कमीशन इन रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ द एग्जिस्टिंग बाइपार्टाइट। इस आशय का पत्र जो पेंशन एक्टिविस्ट श्री DS मूर्ति सर ने एक पत्र ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर और ऑनरेबल फिनांस मिनिस्टर को लिखा है। रिक्वेस्ट टू कॉन्स्टिट्यूट a separate banking pay commission in replacement of the existing bipartite system. With the senior bank retirees are hard hit by inflation, lamenting in solitude for over three long decades. At the outset, I take pleasure to introduce, और एक इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट है जो मूर्ति साहब ने लिखा है। I feel to be identified as its retired employees with about 30 years of the active service since 1972 till my retirement in 2001. We are indeed hard hit by the inflation. Our monthly pension has remained static since the day we retired from the services 3 decades ago. During this interim period, the salaries of the working bank employees have been revised 5 times. In furtherance of the settlement signed under the ID Act dated 29th October 1993 between the bank management represented by the IBA and the unions representing the employees, pension regulation of the 1995 were adopted by all the banks. These regulations were formulated on similar lines to the one prevailing in the Reserve Bank of India. A specific mention was also made in the regulation itself. Thus, these regulations form part and parcel of the settlement signed under the Industrial Dispute Act, a statutory provision. The parties to the above settlement have no authority whatsoever to alter, modify the terms, provisions of the settlement already incorporated as above subsequently at a later date. It is unfortunate, sir, to bring it to your kind notice that neither the bank managements represented by the IBA nor the unions represented by UFU have been serious to resolve our burning issue despite our hue and cry through various forums. In fact, they both have gone to the extent of saying that we the retirees cases to have any relationship with the employees and have no contractual obligation whatsoever and refuse to have any dialogue with the organization's representative. Us for the redress of our legitimate grievances stated supervised their record note dated 25th May 2015, which reminds us the historical Magna Carta signed by themselves to leave our fates to destiny forever. Your Honor will please observe the inordinate delay in the bipartite mechanism being followed in the public sector bank. और इसके बारे में उन्होंने बाइपार्टाइट में फर्स्ट बाइपार्टाइट से लेके 11th बाइपार्टाइट का जब ड्यू था और कब सेटल हुआ उसका उन्होंने डिटेल एक चार्ट दिया है. If you try to look at the past, sir, madam, only the PCR recommendations committee constituted by Government of India brought to see change in the services condition of the bank officers. This is besides many other committees constituted by the governments in the past resulted to bring improvements in the services condition of the bank employees at large in the form of various awards like Desai and Sastri Award over a period of time. Let us not therefore lose sight of these historical facts, sir. In the backdrop of the above scenario, under the given circumstances, time has come for us, we the retirees, to urge the government to set up a banking pay commission, the only ultimate recourse for all of us. We will have a statutory body of authenticity to whom we can represent for the redress of our legitimate grievances directly through our organizations with dignity and decorum. Thus, We can as well eliminate the manipulations at the behest of IBA unions during the negotiation, which are very much detrimental to the interest of the bank retirees, as stated Supra. Sir, in my 6 decades of the active life, I have come across only 2 statesmen as a Prime Minister of our nation, Sri late Lal Bahadur Shastri ji, and the next being none but yourself, who have kept the priorities of the nation at high esteem with firm conviction and the determination to be the trend setters as a leaders by example. Honorable Sir, Madam, many of our esteemed colleagues are already attended for their heavenly abode, and we still waiting for our turn to meet them with one foot in the grave. Therefore, volunteer to place before your Sir, Madam, the grievances as detailed above, and seek your benevolent intervention to bring us the solace with the folded hands. We eagerly look forward to your kind intervention to bring solace to the grief-stricken hearts of the bank retirees in general and the super seniors in particular, only in the sole interest of the justice and fair play. By श्री DS मूर्ति। श्री DS मूर्ति साहब ने जो ये रिक्वेस्ट लेटर प्राइम मिनिस्टर और ऑनरेबल फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर को लिखा है और एक रिक्वेस्ट किया है कि बाईपार्टाइट के बजाय हमारा बैंकिंग पे कमीशन होना चाहिए। हमारी फरियाद कहाँ तक सरकार सुनती है, कहाँ तक प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब या फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर सुनते हैं, लेकिन हमारे पास इसके अलावा कोई विकल्प नहीं है कि हम अपनी फरियाद करते रहें। शायद एक दिन इसका कोई ना कोई अच्छा रिजल्ट आए। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार।